If Bingo Cash support hasn't replied yet, the problem is often a backlog of support requests or a missing ticket, rather than your account being ignored. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether your request was submitted correctly, what you can do while waiting, and when it's time to send a follow-up. First, confirm that your support request was actually sent. If you contacted Bingo Cash through the app or a support form, look for a confirmation email or ticket number. If you never received one, your request may not have gone through, and you'll need to submit it again. Next, check your email's spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders. Support replies sometimes end up outside your primary inbox, especially if the response contains automated notifications. If you already have a ticket number, avoid sending multiple new requests about the same issue. Creating several tickets can make it harder for the support team to track your original case. Instead, reply to your existing ticket with any new information or screenshots. Now review the details you included in your request. If you reported a payment issue, missing winnings, or an account problem, include your username, the email linked to your account, the approximate time the issue occurred, and screenshots if available. Complete information helps support investigate your case more efficiently. While waiting for a reply, make sure your app is fully updated through the App Store or Google Play Store. If your issue is related to crashes, payments, or login problems, updating the app may solve it before support responds. You should also check whether Bingo Cash is experiencing a temporary outage or scheduled maintenance. If many users are affected at the same time, support responses may take longer because they're handling a larger number of requests. If your issue involves a payment that appears to be processing, avoid repeating the same transaction until you've confirmed its status. Multiple payment attempts can create additional complications if the original transaction is still pending. If you've waited a reasonable amount of time without receiving any response, send a polite follow-up using your original support conversation instead of opening a brand new ticket. Mention your original request and include any additional details that may help resolve the issue. If you're contacting support through email, double-check that you entered your email address correctly when submitting the request. An incorrect address means the support team won't be able to send their reply to you. To recap, confirm your ticket was submitted, check your spam folder, avoid creating duplicate requests, provide complete account details, update the app, check for service outages, and send a follow-up through your existing support conversation if necessary. Those steps give you the best chance of getting your issue resolved as quickly as possible. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.